You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. In today's video, I'll be talking about the BTC USDT 4-hour chart and 1-day chart right here, and also BNB and ETH. And if you watch my immediate last video, I was talking about market moving to the upside gradually as we are seeing right now. And on the 4-hour chart, I said we're going to see retracement between 17,400 and 17,500, and the exact same thing we are seeing right now. So what are we looking at in the market on the 1-day chart, on BTC USDT, on the 4-hour chart, and also ETH and BNB? All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational contents. Leave a like and share this video. If you look at this area on the 1-day chart, I was talking about market moving up, and if you look at the MACD, we are still seeing increasing momentum. One thing very important when using the MACD is you have to look at the candlestick. If you start to see a reduction in the candlestick formation, that is the bullish candle to the upside, and we are still seeing the histogram on the MACD, giving us that the market is still moving up with a greater momentum, then that also indicates that market is going to retrace to the downside. So what we are seeing right now is if this candle closes in this formation, maybe in form of a doji or a very slightly bullish candle, that is an indication that we should expect retracement to the downside. And right now, I am still looking at the market moving up because this candle have not closed yet, and also we are seeing an increased momentum on the MACD histogram at this very area. And like I said, that I am looking at retracement between this area where the market is right now, this very point, and the 18k level, that is this 18k level, and this area of 17,800, that is this very area, is where I am expecting the market to start retracing on the 1-day chart. That means this market should approach this very level of resistance. This is very, very important, in as much as we are also paying attention to the MACD histogram and the way the market is approaching this very level. This is what you still need to pay attention to on the 1-day chart BTC USDT. And on the 4-hour chart here, if you look at it very well, I said market is going to retrace at this very point of resistance, this very area. If you watch this very video on the channel, this very video right here, I talk about that clearly. And if you look at it, exact same point is where we are experiencing retracement right now. And I said between 17,400 at this very point and 17,500, we are going to see retracement come into the market back to the downside before the next continuation. If you look at the chart, and also if you look at the MACD here, one thing very significant that also proves that the market is going to retrace back to the downside is the fact that we are seeing a divergence on the chart right now. So if you draw from here to this point, we see the market is climbing to the downside on the MACD histogram, and on the chart we are seeing the market approaching the upside from this area right back to the upside. And this indicates that the market is going to retrace significantly to the downside, and this is a bearish divergence, and that means that the market is going to go bearish to the downside. And where I am expecting this market to move into is this very level, first area right at this very point of 17,100 at this point approximately, then this very area of 16,900 at this very area of support. These are the two levels that you need to pay attention to for markets to retrace into before the next continuation to the upside. But right now, if you did not take a position from here or at this very point, then there is no need you taking a buy position at this very area, because this is a very strong resistance that is in the market right now. Not only that, we are seeing a divergence on the chart. This is a bearish divergence, and this indicates that the market is going to come back to the downside. So if you are not in a buy position yet, don't take a buy position at this area where the market is right now. Reason why: market is going to go back down, and this will give you a nice buying opportunity before the next move to the upside again. So you have to wait for the market to retrace this very impulsive move. So after this correction, the next impulsive will be a nice time to actually enter the market and buy your BTC USDT. So this is what I am paying attention to on the chart right now, the market to come back down in form of a retracement. And on the ETH USD 4-hour chart, I also did mention that you should not expect the market to cross this very level of resistance. And the exact same thing, guys. See, this level of resistance is holding the market. You can check this video out where I was talking about that. And right now we are experiencing the market, not moving far from this very level of resistance, and the markets have capacity right now of coming back down. Not only that, we are going to see the MACD histogram have started formation on the bearish side of the MACD, that is the negative side of the MACD right here, with this very histogram formation on the negative side. That also indicates that the market is going to come back down. That is an indication that you don't have to take a buy position at this very area. The market is going to come back down from the retracement before the next continuation to the upside. And where I am expecting this market to come back into is this very area right at this point of 1,280 and this very area of $1,242. These very two areas are where you should expect the retracement to come back to an end before the next continuation to the upside after this very retracement that will come into the market right now. So this is what you need to pay attention to on the ETH USDT 4-hour chart. No need to buy where the market is right now. Wait for retracement so that you can buy at a better and fair price. And on BNB USDT, if you look at this very chart, market has moved significantly upward. And if you look at it, what is going to happen here is you're going to see a fair swing in the market before the next move to the downside. Of course, we see that the market moved very sharply to the upside, and this drop, if you look at the way market is moving to the upside right now, is not moving aggressively as we see at this very point right here. So market is having a reduction in momentum to the upside. That means that this market going up here is going to fail to create a new high, higher than the previous high at this very point. Then we're going to see the market come back down slightly. And of course, if you look at the MACD, we are seeing the market started formation on the negative side of the MACD, which also indicate that market have high capacity of moving back to the downside and move a retracement before the next continuation to the upside. These are what I am looking out for and what you need to pay attention to on the BTC, ETH, and BNB USD chart on the immediate short term, that is the 4-hour chart, and more especially the BTC 1-day chart right at this point. Market is still going to move to the upside slightly into this level of resistance. So what do you think about the market on the BTC USD 1-day chart? Do you think this market is going to pause here and we're going to see retracement from this area where the market is right now to the downside before continuation? Or we are going to see the market still follow this analysis into this level of resistance. Then from this very area of resistance, we're going to see the market come back down before the next continuation to the upside. Comment below right now in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like and share this video. And if you've not registered on Binance, OKX $600 bonus on Bybit when you use the affiliate link down below this video in the description. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.